Have you ever seen this effect or this effect here? Guys, I'm excited. This video is going to be very interesting because I want to share with you a little bit more on how you can leverage a tool with System.io and basically have these effects in place. Is it going to help your conversions? It can be if you do it right. So let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And before I share with you anything else, this is my affiliate marketing strategy. I'm just going to keep it on the screen for a second. If you're interested in actually finding out more about this affiliate strategy, the link of and all my resources basically are in the description. Otherwise, I'm excited to talk about this topic today because System.io is my favorite tool, and I've been waiting for this effect to be part, or rather waiting for this feature to be part of System.io for a long time. And I was looking at different methods and different ways of actually doing it myself, and I didn't want to make any tutorials or videos for you guys because it's not like it's impossible to do, but it gets very technical. Right now, what System.io has done is that it's taken away the technical worry with affiliate marketing, and it's helped you now to create better pages, and they are just, improving every step of the way. So if you want an all-in-one marketing tool like System.io, you can check out the links in the description. I have the link to the free plan, paid plan, and also the annual plan. It's really up to you where you want to get started. Remember, this is absolutely for free, okay? You don't need to get started with the paid plans. However, I would suggest the paid plans in general, but it's really up to you how you want to get started. Okay, what I only recommendation I will have is, if you do use any of my links below, what I would ask you please to do is clear your cache and cookies before clicking on the links below. Why? Because if you want me to be your sponsor basically, or you want me to be the person who's referred you to System.io, then you can do that. Otherwise, feel free to just do it as you wish. Let me go ahead and share with you the pricing. As I showed you, it costs you nothing to do this, and System.io is an all-in-one tool. So I'm going to jump into the funnel straight away because I have different tutorials. I want to keep this concise and to the point for you. So if at any point of time you have any questions, leave them below. Let's jump on to the tool itself. So when you sign in, basically you get access to the tool right here. Everything is available here. You get the main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, student, and everything else. But what we're doing right now is we're talking about these lovely System.io templates, let me put it that way, that are applicable. Okay, so imagine if you create a different art and design or architecture blog or a coaching section or whatever it is. Let's say you want to create a page like this, which is quite cool to have, or a landing page for your affiliate marketing like myself. This is a landing page that I personally use for my affiliate marketing. It's a simple landing page, guys. This is a super simple landing page, and I will show you how it's helped me with my conversions. I don't have too much of information right here. I have a funnel called a map funnel, which is basically these proven tested strategies. I share with them how they can use it to win. They need to enter the email address and look at this feature. Okay, literally when I hover over the button right here, it moves. So obviously this effect in itself is quite good because we know it's a live page. This is a very simple page with affiliate marketing. If you haven't yet done these simple pages for affiliate marketing, it converts really, really well. Let me show you. Okay, if I go back to the funnels itself that I have right here, okay, this map funnel, and I'm going to show you this. This is the squeeze page. So this is this is one page that I have. So I have two pages. This is one page. It doesn't have the button. Okay, it doesn't have the moving hover effect, right? It's just this page. And then we have this page right here. Now, from these two guys, guess what? Which page is converting better? That is what we want to see, right? So if I go to A/B test, because I have an A/B test running, you can see that actually the landing page number 2 is converting 6% more than the last one that you can see right here. So this page is converting better. Now, how simple it is to create a landing page like this, specifically for your affiliate marketing journey. Let's say that you are doing this exact strategy, right? You have traffic, you have free traffic, you have paid traffic that is going to a landing page like this one, and they need to enter the email address, and that's how they get access to your emails. Now, the beauty of this is not just the page. This whole hover effect has had an impact on me, not just in the page itself, but also if you think about it, after that, the person because the intent has increased. What you're doing right now here is you're increasing the intent of the consumer. Once the intent is increased in a slight way, very subconsciously, what happens is that if I go to my campaigns, just to show you guys, give me a second. Okay, so if I go to my campaigns right here, you will see an interesting factor. Okay, my map follow-up campaign has an open rate of 43%, guys. Okay, which means that there are more people obviously wanting to read the emails on initial stage, but even on the last email, they're getting 50% open rate. So that means I have a higher open rate throughout my entire follow-up. And you don't need to have an extremely high follow-up. Now, what I can see that I need to improve is the clicks. So that is related to email copy. That has nothing to do with anything else. I wanted to show you guys the, cause and effect of these two things. So how do you add this effect? Now, I haven't added this effect. I will show you guys how to do it very simply, but I haven't yet done it for my main course and my main strategy, which I share with you. This entire strategy is in a course, and it is below. I haven't shared it in the VSL itself. So the VSL, which is a video sales letter that I have, looks like this at the moment. Okay, so you learn this essential skill sets and you learn a strategy. You learn the essential skills and my best strategy for affiliate marketing. That's what so basically I'm teaching, and they can get lifetime access here. Now you can see right here, it hasn't changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an edit to this page. So we go to the page first and foremost. Guys, and by the way, if you like the content, the way that I'm sharing this video and the information that you're getting, the awareness that you're getting with System.io, then please feel free to make sure and subscribe below and hit that bell notification, guys. Why am I saying that? Is simply because I share System.io tutorials every single week. I want to bring you guys actionable awareness and use cases. So this is an actionable awareness and use case that I wanted to share with you, and you will get it every single week with me. So if that's something interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. So we are in the editing tool. This is the tool of System.io itself. I have a very simple template and a very funny image right here, but it is for my affiliate marketing essentials course, and I have a button right here. Now I will admit that this button seems a bit too large, but based on the page itself and the information, I understand why it exists. When a page is larger, this button also gets shorter, but we'll make some changes to it. Like on the main page, you don't see it this way, you see it much wider, right? Because it has the entire page. So what we can do though is I will make some small changes to maybe the font size. We'll decrease, no, actually we'll keep the font size as is. We will, I'm just trying to see whether it makes sense. Yeah, let's just put this on 0 completely so that everything is fine and the rounded corners are not there. Don't need rounded corners actually. And we will now put so this is the whole app. Let me go back. I'm sorry about that, guys. These are the elements. You need to click on the elements on the page to be able to deal with everything, right? So we're going to click on the button right here, which basically takes the person to the next step, which is payment details and so on and so forth. But we will go ahead, scroll down right here, and we will also, what is this? Oh, that's it. Much better. Yes, much better. Let me just do something like this. Yes, get lifetime access. Perfect. I like this. Okay. I scroll down and I will see that in the shadow section, this is the shadow of the page. So everything is related to this button right here on the editing. But what we want to look at is this hover effect. So hover effect is what the style that we want the hover to happen. So there are 3 hover effects that are available. One is zoom. Okay, so we'll just see how zoom looks. And if you just click on zoom, you won't see the effect in place. So how do you see that the effect is in place? You need to grow. Okay, so let's say you put a grow by 5. Okay, and now you click on it and you see how it zooms in. So now it's not hovering, but it's zooming. Okay, so it's there, and then now you're zooming the button in. So you can keep it as zoom, and like I said, you've done it to 5. Let's say you want to do even more, to 15. Okay, this is how it zooms in. So it really pops up and shows in your face, so the person is aware and there's more intent in clicking that button. Obviously I wouldn't do it so much, but a little bit of zoom is fine. That's the first effect. Let's go and look at the hover effect for the next one, which is which is slide. Now slide is, you can do slide in different directions. So when you go negative, it goes in a specific movement. When you go positive, it goes in a specific movement. So we'll start with negative just to show you guys. I'm gonna put negative 14 so it's exaggerated, you can see it. So you see it goes that side. So the button is in its place and goes 14 to the left hand side. So it either negative or positive, right? And then if I go positive, it will basically go to the other side. So based on that, you can do your own edits to your buttons. Okay, So that's one thing I wanted to share with you. And if let's say you want to change the color of, I don't know, I guess this is text is white. This is text color, right? So if I change it to, right. Yeah, shouldn't change anything. So you can see even this, the hover effect, you can change the text. So it's not just the color or the button moves, but it also changes the text. So I just showed you on random color right now, but the text changes as well. So you can have it moving, zooming out, slide, sorry, with the text change. I just picked a random color, guys, so I'm just gonna put white again so that it is clear. Sorry, not background color. Let's revert back to red because that's what we want. And sorry again. Let me scroll down and look at this color right here, and we put it as white. So everything stays white. Yeah. Now, again, if you scroll down, you'll see this is the movement. And then the last one you have right here is float, which is what I like the most. And if you go negative, basically float will go up. Okay, so it's floating up. And then if you go positive, it floats down. Okay, so if I go to this page, and then if I go to positive, you'll see it floats down. Okay, so at this point of time, I would like it to go up more than anything else. So that's what I'm going to do. And so I'm going to go to float, and we will edit it to -8 or 10. Perfect. So now what happens if I save this page and I view this page just for you guys to see? This will be the page right here, and this button is there. So now I'm hoping, and I know that this will definitely make sense. I presume that it will help with my conversions, but again, I will give you guys some feedback on it later on. I wanted to show you how easy it is. Remember, this editing section or this feature has not been available in System.io for a long time. Before, you needed to add HTML code to get it. It was possible, but you just needed to do a little bit more techie stuff. Right now, it's as simple as dragging and clicking, right? This is the easiest way, which definitely helps conversion. So using buttons like this specifically on your landing page as an affiliate marketer and your VSLs are really, really crucial because it does have that minor impact on your conversion rate. Now, it's not going to make a huge difference, but you have to test it out, guys, and see where it is applicable for you. So if you like the content of this video, if you like these kind of tutorials with System.io, affiliate marketing, email marketing, everything related to System.io, and me getting a little bit geeky once a week, then make sure that you have subscribed. Otherwise, I'm going to see you on Friday, guys, for another video. It's more mainly related to affiliate marketing strategies. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.